In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for Affirm with bad credit. If your credit is less than perfect or you don't have much history yet, you can still improve your chances by being strategic and consistent. Affirm looks at more than just traditional credit scores. They consider your repayment behavior with them, the size of your purchases, how reliably you pay, and whether your account information checks out. So let's walk through what to do step by step. Start by going to affirm.com or opening the Affirm app. Create your account with your mobile number and complete the identity verification. Make sure everything you enter matches your official records. Small mismatches in your name, address, or income can slow down or even block approvals. So accuracy matters right from the start. Next, begin with modest purchases. Keeping your spending low helps you build trust with Affirm. Think of this like building a track record. Smaller amounts are easier to approve and easier to pay off, which helps you establish a positive history faster. Always pay on time. Timely payments strengthen your internal score with Affirm and signal that you're a reliable borrower. Set calendar reminders and check your upcoming due dates in the app so nothing slips through the cracks. If you already have an active plan, keep those payments current before trying to open a new one. Double check that your personal details are up to date, including your name, address, and income. Then connect a dependable payment method such as a debit card or a bank account. Prepaid cards can be less reliable in this context and may hurt your chances, so stick with standard options that are in your name. If you apply and get denied, don't panic. Wait a few weeks before trying again to give your account time to reflect any updates, like on-time payments or corrected information. In the meantime, use Affirm with well-known, trusted merchants. Some stores are more likely to approve smaller limits, which can help you build momentum. Also, avoid submitting too many applications in a short time. Multiple attempts can temporarily lower your approval odds. Remember, Affirm doesn't rely only on credit bureaus. Your spending patterns and repayment behavior with them carry real weight. Build a good record with smaller pay over time plans. Then work your way up to larger amounts. Keep your account active, accurate, and in good standing, and your approval chances should improve over time. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll put yourself in the best position to get approved, even with bad or limited credit.